Let's take a look at our commodities here. We'll start off with silver. Silver has held the support level here for last 3-4 days here. Price was stuck into the support, wasn't able to break it. We have a nice bullish engulfing candle for today. So looking for a further move to the upside here. And this is the type of move I would be looking for here. So bullish bias in terms of our target. The first target here would be 27.75 and then above that 28.00. So bullish bias here for silver. Gold as well, a nice rejection of the support. It did try to break down to the downside. However, it went right into our support, and now we have a nice bullish engulfing candle close. As we can see, this is a very strong candle compared to all of these. So looking bullish, we may get a bit of a pullback here, and then looking for a further move to the upside here. So in terms of our targets here, the first target is 1965, and then we have 1975. So bullish bias here for gold. Oil here, oil looking strong. It is still holding that bit of an upward trend that it has caught. Now with the hurricanes here, we are seeing oil refineries being shut down. So that's positive for oil here, although it hasn't really it hasn't been able to push through this resistance. So we do need to see a close on the other side of the resistance, but it is pushing into that resistance. So if we see a break, we could see a nice big move here because it is getting compressed now, and we could basically see a move or a price shoot up from here once it breaks. So we could it could pick up momentum. But as we can see here, the candle for today is a completely neutral candle, not much of a move here. So we have to wait for this resistance because it could just sit here for a while. So we'll wait for that. So right now, neutral to bullish bias. Once we see a break here, then I will look for 45.80. But unless it breaks, we can't really be that bullish on it for the time being. It's bullish to neutral. Copper here, copper making its way to the upside. It wasn't able to break support here for 3 days. It just failed, or it struggled with the support and failed to break it. So bias here is bullish. And in terms of our targets, this is sort of what I would look for. A potential pullback into 2.91 and then a further move to the upside. Next target here is 2.96 and then 2.98. So bullish bias for copper. Bitcoin here. Bitcoin is holding here. We see a price drop through the support level here. So we had a bit of a triangle going here, a bearish one. It dropped through the support. Now, as long as it holds below this pullback level here, this is still bearish. So if it holds below this 11,530 level, we're likely to see another drop. The thing to keep in mind though is we have support right here as well. So what could happen is we may see price hold the support and then come back. Hold the resistance and then come back into the support and then bounce off. So that's something to watch out for. Now, should it break through the resistance, then we are back into that positive territory again. So for now, bias is neutral here for Bitcoin. Stock market still looking quite bullish here. Price has gone through our resistance level here. Very strong bullish move here. Now with Jackson Hole Symposium tomorrow, we are seeing bearishness in the US dollar and bullishness in the stock market because everybody's expecting Fed to announce more measures, more quantitative easing measures. Sorry about that. So bias here is bullish. So any more money printing or any more liquidity injections into the market, all of that is good for the stock market because businesses get money, which stock market loves, of course. So here, bias is still bullish here. 3,500 would be the next target. And then we're looking for 3550 as the next level higher. So bullish bias here for S&P 500. Nasdaq here, extremely bullish right now. It just keeps on going higher. So we are almost into 12,000 here, and then looking for 12,280 here or 250. So bullish bias here for Nasdaq as well. Dow Jones, same thing here, looking bullish. We see that price was trading in a range for some time, and now it's holding on the other side of this range that it was trading in. So as long as it holds above, chances are we are looking for another leg higher. But once it breaks through this level here, so it is important to watch this, this level. If it breaks through, then basically we are back into that range. So for it to remain bullish, we have to see price hold above this 28,180. So for now, bias is bullish. Just watch out for that level though. DAX here also looking quite bullish. We see that price is holding above our support level here, or I should say support resistance level, because resistance turning into support here. So bias here is bullish as well. Next target is 13,300. So bullish bias for DAX here. All right, FTSE. FTSE came into the support. We do have a little bullish pin bar here. So have a look for next move higher here as well. In terms of the target, we're looking at 60.85 and then 61.50. So FTSE is also looking bullish. And of course, Nikkei here. Nikkei is struggling. We see price is right into this support resistance level. And this is right into the highs here. For the last 2 days, it hasn't been able to close to on the other side. So if it still holds, right now looks like it's testing the high. And if it holds below here, we're looking for a move back towards the middle of the range and potentially into the low of the range over the upcoming days, I should say. Okay, so for now, bias is neutral, and as long as it holds below this resistance level, we're kind of seeing this double top. If it holds below, looking for that drop. Now, for some reason, depending on what gets said at Jackson Hole Symposium, should we hear any sort of bullish comments from the Fed, or I should say comments that will be construed as bullish by the stock market, then we will see that move higher, and that will impact, even though it has nothing to do with Nikkei, it will still have an impact on the other stock markets as well, including Nikkei. So I would watch out for that. But for now, the US stock markets are definitely looking bullish going into the Jackson Hole Symposium. So, all right, so that's it for today. Have a wonderful trading day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.